Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Tarot of Nella. In today's pick a card reading, this is going to be messages from the birds. So this reading is going to be perfect for those who connect with birds as animal spirits, spirit messengers. And you also get to hang out with my beautiful taxidermy bird collection. So please know this is a timeless reading. And there may be a reason why you've clicked this video today. There may be a message for you. It may not resonate for everyone, but I do offer private readings, so if you'd like to book a personal, you can click the description bar below. That will take you straight to my Etsy store, or you can email me. So please know you have free will to change your future and your destiny. Nothing is set in stone. This is just a guidance or a reading on where you are in your life right now. So to help you choose, we have group 1, group 2 and group 3. So take a moment to connect with what bird is calling you the most. And when you feel ready, you can click your timestamp, which is linked down below in the description bar. So I'm going to start with group number 1. So if you feel called to this bird and this bird messenger, then stay tuned in. For the rest of you, your timestamps are linked down below. Hello group number 1, welcome to your reading. So this is going to be your bird message. So this is you connecting to the bird's spirit, and we're going to see what comes through of channeled messages. So let's take a look into the card that I already channeled before the reading. So we have the Falcon. The Falcon says, use your keen perception and skill in making decisions. Do not delay. So for group 1, I feel like there is a decision that you are making right now in your life. And I feel like the bird messenger here is telling you to not delay this decision. So this could be something of urgency, something that may pass you by if you don't take up this opportunity. So you need to use your perception and skill in order to make this decision and to fasten the speeding this up in your life. So let's see what else is coming forward for group 1, messages from the birds. So we also have the cards of the crane and the hawk. So these bird messengers are definitely trying to tell you that you will soon enter into a beneficial partnership. Luck and longevity bless this union. So for you group 1, you are going to make a decision, and this is something that you can't delay because you are going to enter. Some of you are going to enter this beneficial partnership, which means this could be a collaboration, a union, a partnership in business. For some of you, it could be romantic, but I feel like the message is coming through is to pay attention. A powerful message is being communicated to you now, and that is to tell you that you need to listen and pay close attention to what you're seeing, because there is something of a blessing coming, and it's coming in the form of a partnership. Okay, so let's further on with your reading to find out the other messages coming forward for you. What other bird messages do we have for group number 1? Okay, so we also have the 6 of Pentacles and the 10 of Wands. So in this energy, the message I'm hearing is that there is this blessing coming to you of luck, because someone is going to grant you that partnership. Okay, so if you've been looking for a job, a house or a relationship, it's almost telling you that it's going to happen. it's about weighing out and balancing the odds in the connection. And I feel like this opportunity that's come in is about you releasing the burdens, the heaviness. And I feel like you're going to have support to carry the load to help you through this transition. So let's see what else is coming forward for you. Group number 1. Further messages from the spirit birds. What do you need to know? We have the Fool. So the Fool corresponds to this new chapter that you're going to go through in your life. This is about taking risks, knowing that this union and this partnership that's coming to you is about you paying attention to the signs and not delaying them. This is really about take the risk. It will pay off for you. If you're worried if it's not going to go through, if there's this deal or this contract or this communication, I'm telling you now, it's going to move forward. What else is this energy for group 1? I feel like there's a gamble coming up for you, group 1. That's what I'm hearing. We have the Ten of Swords, so you have another completion number. So the Ten of Swords is definitely indicating when it comes to your life right now, there is a lot of beginnings and endings. So if you're feeling the strain and you're feeling like you can't pick yourself up from a certain situation, the bird spirit is letting you know that you can pick yourself up, that you can rise above the situation like the phoenix you are, because you have the hawk and the falcon, which are very like birds of prey. They are very like birds that are going to get exactly what they desire. So you don't give up on your dreams. What else is this energy coming forward for group 1? What else do you need to know? We also have the Hierophant, because the Hierophant is asking you to commit to something. Commit into this beneficial partnership and commit to this decision. You need to pay attention because this is about being guided. The bird spirits are being your mentor, your guide, your spiritual leader to help you to learn along your journey. And this is like this mentorship energy that's coming forward for you now. So let's see what else we have. We've got strong Taurus energy coming forward as well. Sun, Moon, Rising. Third messages for group 1. We have the purple Swampton and the blue Mannequin. So purple and blue are definitely colours that you may be connecting with right now, group 1. These colours are connected to your intuition and your third eye chakra, which just means that you are going to be more heightened to seeing things and experiences in your life. Now, this says abandon unsympathetic environments for your true element. So I feel like the bird spirit message is here today to tell you to get rid of the environment that isn't true to who you are. Because patience brings rewards. And as you can see, we had the card of like, do not delay. Do not delay, but still be patient with the rewards that are coming. Because this partnership and union that's coming of longevity is going to take a while for the rewards to actually come in. So let's see what other messages are coming through for you, group 1. Messages from the spirit birds. We have the card of listen to the call. Spirit is singing sweet words of wisdom. Be still and listen. So I feel like for you, group number 1, there really is strong messages that you need to really deepen your communication with spirit. to really deepen your communication, because listen to the call makes me feel like you have a calling that is being reached out to you, and you could be ignoring it or delaying it. And that's something you don't want to do, because again, there are so many blessings and rewards coming when you start to open and listen. What else is this energy? We also have the card of Sparkling Jewels. You've tapped into the universe's infinite flow of abundance. Accept your treasures with open wings and a grateful heart. Indicates that the bird messages are letting you know that there is a hidden jewel and a gem that you need to find. When you've tapped into this abundance, because I feel like abundance is flowing into your life, you are going to accept an offer, and you're going to be hopeful and grateful for this opportunity. Let's find out what else is coming through for you, Group 1. The last few messages from the spirit birds. What you need to know. We have the cards of fear and freedom. So fear and freedom indicate that you are actually on your way to releasing the fear that's been holding you back and delaying your progress, because you are becoming more free and open to listening to your inner voice, your inner calling, and where your destiny is taking you. So I feel like there is this strong message to not delay your blessings because of fear that could be holding you back, because I feel like this freedom coming through is really trying to show you that you have a purpose right now and an inner calling you need to hear. So this is what I have for you, group number 1. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I just thought I would do something very different today, and I connect hugely with birds and bird messages. So I wanted to create something fun and creative for you, and I hope that it did resonate, gave you some clarity. Let me know down in the comments section below what did. I would love to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm sending you all so much love and light. Hello group number 2, welcome to your reading. So you chose the cute brown chicks here. So we're going to get straight into your message to find out what the bird spirit animals have in store for you. So the first card that has already been channeled for you is Goose. Now this says your dreams and desires are calling you to action. The journey begins today. So you need to think right now what is calling you to take action. Do you have a to-do list? Do you have a routine or a ritual in your morning? Because I feel like group 2, you have a dream and a goal and desires that you need to take action on. Because if you don't do it today, that's another day you lose. You know, it's kind of like you want to look back at tomorrow and think that you did a lot. You progressed along your journey. So let's see what else is coming forward for you, group 2. From the bird messengers, what message do we have? Bird messages. We have the flicker bird. Now this says new rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. So as I just spoke about the fact that there is something in your life you need to start today and stop, you know, pushing it to the back and be like, I'm going to do it tomorrow because that day will never come. You need to kind of, you know, give yourself that little push, that little kick, because the rhythm that's coming into your life is the fact that you need to adapt to these changes. What is this energy? Group 2. We have the ostrich. So the ostrich is letting you know that the choice is clear for you now. follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. So I feel like if something doesn't feel right, then don't do it. But I feel like you are being urged to really make a choice that's becoming clearer and clearer by the day. So if you follow what's true to your heart and feel it in your heart, you can never go wrong. So let's see what else this message is trying to tell you. Group 2 from the bird spirits. What do you need to know? Okay, we do have the Two of Pentacles. Now in the Two of Pentacles, I can see that when it comes to you balancing your life and rhythm right now, you may have felt a bit unsteady, and this is just to let you know that you are going to connect with making wise choices and decisions and juggling your rhythm, your dreams and choices along your journey. And that's what you need to adapt to, is how you're going to kind of balance everything in your life and align it so that it fits and it works with your routine. What else is this energy? We also have the Seven of Pentacles. So we have a lot of work, materialistic energy coming forward for you, group 2, which just means that when you're adapting to things that you are trying to sow and grow right now, you need to dig harder to find what you are following. And this just means that, you know, financially, career-wise, there's more things that need to happen for you. And I feel like that's what you're being pushed and urged to encourage in your life right now. Let's see what other messages for you, group 2. Messages from the spirit birds. We have the Six of Pentacles as well as Judgment. Okay, so as you can see, we have a lot of green energy coming forward for you, group 2. Now green is connected to the heart chakra, which just means, again, you need to follow through with something that you feel in your heart. So I feel like there is definitely this energy coming forward of giving. You need to give more to something, give more to your dreams, give more to your journey. Because when you do, you're going to have this realization that you've put so much energy and so much thought into something that it's going to reward you with a realization and an awakening of what you're meant to do next. Because without that, we'll be stuck. We wouldn't know how to continue the next day. So you are going to kind of get this kind of handout and this realization of a little bit of a push, a little bit of a shake to get you on your way. What else is this energy? We have the card of the Wheel of Fortune. So I love how this has come out for you, because the Wheel of Fortune is actually, you know, sometimes that push that we need. It kind of can take us out of our comfort zone, because things can sometimes happen without our control and can be very unexplained. I love that the Wheel of Fortune can also talk about the unknown, especially when it comes to things like the paranormal or things that you may be looking into in terms of spiritually. But this is kind of letting you know that there is going to be good luck, fate and fortune coming your way, but you need to basically push that wheel a little bit further to reach that destination. So let's take a look into more messages from the spirit birds for you, group 2. Okay, so we have the cards of uncover the deity within. So I just spoke about the paranormal, right? So the message that's coming through for you, group 2, is that there definitely is this mystical energy that's transcending for you to uncover the protector and spirit guide behind you, because I feel like you are being guided. The deity within is letting you know that you are the goddess or god of your life, and that you can uncover a lot of mysteries. Because if you enrich your life by keeping your every option open, is letting you know that you can enrich what you are growing, and every option open available to you is there, but you just need to kind of unlock and open those opportunities. So let's see what else is coming forward for you, group number 2. Messages from these spirit birds. So the cards that have come out for you is we have the iridescence and forward motion. So this is telling you that you need to let your true colours sparkle, glimmer and glow for all to see. Know your worth. Know that you can shine and you can be true, because these are the things that will shine and highlight areas of your life that need attention. Because this says get up off your perch and move your body to usher in new energy and create positive momentum. Now I feel like this is very much the message we've been channeling, because all these ladders represent that you need to kind of grab a ladder and you need to climb up it. You know, this is about you get up off your perch. And what did I say in your reading? I said you need to kind of get moving. You need to kind of get that kick up the, you know, up the that area of like trying to push forward, you know. So let's get you some more messages. What do you need to know for group 2? So we have illusion and commitment. So in illusion and commitment is really symbolic of the fact that you are going to be making commitments in your life. The commitment could be, again, a job, a home, a relationship. Obviously this is a general reading. But this is letting you know that when you commit, you will take action to move forward and reflect on what is real in your life, what's become a reality because you've brought it into reality. And what no longer seems like a dream or a goal you want is something that you can push aside. And every option that's open to you, I feel like this is about you reflecting in the mirror and seeing yourself committing to the options that are available to you. Okay, so this is what I have for you, group number 2. I really hope you enjoyed this fun, creative bird messages reading. I really do connect with birds, and I'm glad that you've come here today to hang out with my beautiful taxidermy ducklings. And if this resonates for you, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'm sending you all so much love and light. Hello, group number 3. Welcome to your reading. So you chose this adorable little chicken here. So let's see what spirit bird messages are coming forward for you today. So we have the card of the blackbird. So this says the magical and unique qualities of your untapped potential are unfolding now. So I feel like there's a strong message here that you have a very magical presence, because blackbirds are very mystical creatures, and I feel like you could be a creature of the night. I feel like this quality that's untapped at the moment is the fact that you have a gift, a skill or a psychic ability that's unfolding, and you just need to kind of grab it, get a bit closer to it, and maybe work with those magical energies that are coming forward. So let's see what else this is for group number 3. Messages from the spirit birds. Okay, so we have the card of the chickadee as well as the eagle. So the time is right to release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. So those gifts that I just spoke that are coming your way are actually you welcoming in this change, accepting it, and getting rid of the old patterns and energies by decluttering and cleansing, because you are learning all aspects of spiritual connection and searching new heights. So this is a very spiritual group, number 3. If you chose this, I feel like you have a lot of skill, a lot of talent and abilities in your spiritual connection that is taking you to new heights. So let's see what else this could be. More messages please for group 3 spirit bird messages. Okay, we have the Ace of Pentacles. So the Ace of Pentacles is a good indication of you welcoming in this new. Okay, this is about a gift, an opportunity. Again, this is so connected to like you learning, researching, having this connection to learn more about your qualities and your true potential, and grab it. Okay, embrace this change that's coming forward. What else is this energy? We do have the Queen of Pentacles. So in the Queen of Pentacles, this is Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energy, which could be a person or a season. And again, it's connected to the material world. Now, why the material world is important in your reading? Because it signifies spiritual tools and rituals and activities that you can do to ground yourself and protect yourself from the earth's energies. And that's what I'm picking up, is for you to be more centered and connected to nature, birds, creatures. Let's see if we can find some more messages from the bird spirits. More spirit bird messages for group 3. Okay, so we also have the, wow, you've got interesting energies here. We've got the Page of Pentacles. So as you can see, Earth is dominant in this reading. We also have zodiacs of Leo and Scorpio coming into this reading as well. So it is strongly connected to the fact that you are definitely learning something more spiritually, because the sun symbolizes your ego, your higher self, your subconscious mind, your inner child, and the fact that this light of energy is giving you a source of power. It's making you feel that you have a lot of power that you can use, and you can transcend it back and forth. Because the Death card is symbolic of the fact that there is an ending in your life in order for you to rise again and see the sun. So this is about a rebirth, a renewal happening, because you're shedding your old patterns, remember, to gain unique new qualities. So let's see what further messages we have for you, group 3. What bird message is coming forward for you, group 3? Okay, so the cards that we have for you is we have the red and yellow barbet. So these are definitely colours that you may connect with, red and yellow. Harmony returns even after wrenching loss. So some of you may have experienced a loss recently in your life, and I feel like this is telling you that you will be happy again, because the death card is also symbolic of actual death, actual loss, in terms of a spiritual connection of, again, that paranormal energies coming forward. Now, appearances can be deceptive, means that maybe some perceptions in your life or appearances that you've put on, you know, you've tried to be someone else, and that's not okay. I think you need to kind of accept that people need to understand you for who you are, and that people are not always who they appear to be. And I think that's what you're mainly going to learn on your spiritual journey, especially because we have the wrenching loss of old patterns. So let's see what else the spirit birds want you to know right now for group number 3. What is the spirit bird messages for group 3? Okay, this one wants to come out. So the cards that we have for you is we have keen vision and reflecting pond. So as you sharpen your focus, the course ahead becomes clear. So you are going to become more stronger visually, because when you sharpen your focus, you're going to see such a clear vision and view, because you're searching these new heights. Because there's this reflecting of looking in the mirror, looking at your appearance. Celebrate the true beauty and light that lies within you and others. So again, I think there is a message here that you are, one of your gifts is the fact that you can see beyond people. You can see what lies beneath you and others. You can see what is deceptive and what is good. Let's get you a couple more messages for you. Group 3. What is the bird spirit message for group 3? We have the card of Saw. What is this energy? And we also have trickery, okay? So there is a completion ahead. I'm hearing there is some completion and there is change. There is change coming from the fact that obstacles and challenges that you've been facing is something that you are going to tackle. Because this is a representation of fly or rise high in the air. Okay, so this is kind of like maintaining a height, rising above the trickery. So rising above deceptive appearances is going to be your spiritual gift. So this is about you picking up on energies. So this is what I have for you, group number 3. I really hope you enjoyed this creative video and spending time with my birds, and it's such a pleasure to sit and read for you today and bring these messages forward. So let me know in the comments what resonated. I would love to know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm sending you all so much love and light.